Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this, a Honda CB125F. Cracking bike is this one. It is a 2019 on a 19 plate, done 4,422 miles from new. You'll have seen straight away it's got the Scorpion exhaust, so it sounds absolutely awesome. And they look cool. These are really comfortable, really good on fuel, so at current fuel prices that's always a good thing. And overall it's pretty clean as well. So on the display, it's all analog on these, but you get a proper fuel gauge too, which is quite a rare thing for 125 at this sort of price point, and this one's got the Oxford heated grips fitted to it as well, so a winter commuter will be perfect. So guys, if you do fancy this one, all you need to do is give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.